Hey guys, this is question number 13 on your study guide. You are finding the equivalent resistance of the series circuit as well as the current for the whole circuit and each individual resistor, and I also wanted you to find voltage despite my typo of telling you to find the resistance at each resistor. Alright, so first step is going to be to find your equivalent resistance. Since this is a series circuit, you are simply adding them together. So resistor 1 is 40 ohms, resistor 2 is 50 ohms, and resistor 3 was 20 ohms. So you would just add all three of those together, so it's R1 plus R2 plus R3 equals that equivalent resistance. So 40 plus 50 plus 20 is going to give you 110 for your equivalent resistance. So that's the first part. Your second part is to find your total current, and you're going to use Ohm's law for that, V equals IR. You are going to plug in the voltage it gives you of 100 volts equals your current times your equivalent resistance that you just found. So you end up dividing that 100 volts by the 110 ohms, and that's going to give you a current of 0.9 amps. Now, since this is a series circuit, your current stays the same at each resistor. So we can go through and label this 0.9 amps at each of them because, again, it is a series circuit and that stays constant. All right. Now, to find the voltage at each resistor, you are going to, again, use Ohm's law, which is V equals IR. And now you're going to take the current and the resistance for each circuit. So for resistor 1, it's going to be 40 times 0.9. For resistor 2, it's 50 times 0.9. And resistor 3, it's 20 times 0.9. So when you multiply those out for resistor 1, you should get 36 volts. Resistor 2, you should get 45 volts. And resistor 3, you should get 18 volts. And again, all we did was multiply that resistance times the current using our Ohm's law formula. And that is everything that I wanted you to find in this question. So to recap, you use your equivalent resistance formula for a series circuit, and that has you add up all your resistances. Then you're going to use Ohm's law to find your current for the circuit. Since it is a series circuit, your current stays the same. So all of our resistors have a current of 0.9 through it. And then to find the voltage for each, you're just going to multiply the current times resistance to get that, and that is using Ohm's law. So I hope this video helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions.